Hello. Hello. Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me? Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How are you?
Very well, ma'am. And
And
what about you?
even I'm doing good. Thank you. Thank you for asking. Can you hear me and see me properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear and see me properly?
No, I can see you properly, but not properly here. Actually, your voice is a little bit cracking.
It's cracking. Okay. Give me a second. Give me a second. Okay. I will just plug in my earphone. Okay. Just give me a second now. Am I audible now? I'm audible now? You have muted yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
You can hear me, right? Okay, so ma'am, is it our first session? And I think it's going to be the last one also because by then your trainer will be back. Okay, so why didn't you join the
Last,
first day?
I had joined, ma'am, but you were not taken me. Means it
I,
was.
we were allotted 3 sessions together. We were allotted
I
three.
was 20 minutes. Up to 20 minutes, I waited for you, and then after I messaged them that trainer is not let me in the meeting.
Yes,
Then
on
they
the
told me leave the meeting.
okay. So what happened on the first day that I was told that they will be allotting us 3 sessions with you until your trainer is back. So on the very first session, I was super excited because until now I have a younger children to deal with. So I even tried calling you many a times. I guess for 4 to 5 times I called you up, and every time the number was disconnected. It seemed that you're
On that day, I postponed my meeting. No?
okay, and that I don't know why the team didn't inform me. They didn't inform me at all.
Okay. No, but I had means where we had an option that if you want to reject cancel the class, you can cancel. Then
Okay,
in afternoon, I had canceled the classes,
okay, so
and it was in my business meeting. That's why it was means not possible to attend your call. That's why
okay, okay,
I
I
was.
see, I see. So the team should have informed me. Otherwise, my time, they didn't. Anyways, never leave that time thing. Okay, so you just said that you were in a business meeting. You do a business.
Yes, just started a business.
What is it all
Actually,
about?
Actually, it's a very initial stage. That's why I also don't know very much about this business. It's a online business, means what you will say. It's
It's about clothing or selling something which you prepare at home.
nothing like that. Uh, Means it's a global project, like
Okay.
global business project, 4 to 5 years, and it's its potential is of 4 to 5 crore.
Okay.
So I started it. Nothing selling. There is no selling, no purchasing, nothing like that.
Okay. Then it deals with what?
Actually, you have to inform about, means whatever Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan do with us in advertisement. What do? They just
Okay.
inform about the product, na?
Okay. So the informations about celebrities, sort of news
So
you give.
uh, means in this business you have to just inform about the product and about this business, how money comes, how you can create the money, how can get achievement soon. These type of things you have to tell the next person. If he or she wants to join with you, then it's okay. Otherwise, no need to means pressurize anyone. These things of things are there in this business. They told us to inform others.
Okay.
Means
So it's
we can inform only about the business.
okay. So your job is to only pass the information.
Yes, information, and in this no product selling, no product purchasing. Only means lots of things are there. Home means tour and travel is there. Jewelry is also there. Health products are also there. Cosmetics means lots of things are there. But we don't have to talk about the products. We only talk about the business concept of the business. If
Okay.
anyone want to join the business, then he or she has to uh, uh, come with uh, come with the amount, and he or she will get the product with that amount, and he
Okay.
will
I
have
got
to
it.
will get the
You give
business.
you only pass the information like this is the idea of the business, and if they
Yes,
want to invest into it, then they invest.
yes,
If I got it right.
yes, ma'am, like this.
Okay, that's so this little unusual, I would say. Not very streamlined business. That's nice.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. So, ma'am, can you tell me? You were given us some homework by Shinu.
Yes, Shinu ma'am has given me on the last day. She taught me about possessive adjective and possessive pronoun.
Okay.
And daily she told me to read a chapter, and I read a story book, and
From
daily
your
I tell
child's book.
her.
You are reading a
Yes,
book
yes,
named Books Tawa, something like that.
Bakasur.
Yes, yes, your child's
Bakasur.
book you're reading, right?
Yes,
So you're supposed to read every day a chapter.
yes,
Okay, okay,
and summarize that chapter with her. She
okay,
told me to summarize the chapter.
okay, okay. So can you do it for me?
Okay. I had next chapter, the chapter which I had already discussed with her, that one don't I have to tell, na? Next one.
No, no, the one she had asked you to prepare and summarize.
The chapter which I have already summarized, that should I
You
tell?
have you have submitted that work to her.
Work? What kind of work?
Summary which she asked you to do.
No, she don't give me to write anything. I only speak
Right,
with
I
her.
got it. I got it. Your activities are mostly to speak. So that is what I'm asking. That please summarize that chapter which you have read.
Okay, okay. तो जो समराइज कर चुकी हूँ वो नहीं आपको सुनाऊ ना मैम?
नहीं, मैं कह रही हूँ कि जो आप मतलब जो होमवर्क आपको दिया गया था कि चैप्टर को पढ़ना है, समराइज करना है, तो वो वर्क आपने शीनू को दिखा दिया था क्या? मतलब समराइज करके सुना दिया था? आवाज नहीं जा रही है क्या?
यस मैम।
मैंने कहा ये वर्क आपने शीनू को सबमिट कर दिया था क्या? यानी कि उसको सुनाया था समराइज करके?
हाँ, डेली मैं सुनाती हूँ एक चैप्टर।
हाँ, तो वही लास्ट डे आपको भी उसने कहा होगा ना कि एक चैप्टर पढ़ना और फिर समराइज करने के लिए। तो वही मैं कह रही हूँ कि जो चैप्टर आपने लास्ट में पढ़ा है उसकी समरी सुना बताइए।
ओके, आई ट्राई टू। एक्चुअली आज नहीं पढ़ा मैंने फिर भी मैं ट्राई करती हूँ। The next chapter is Melagam.
ओके।
Melagam. In the starting of the chapter, means now Bala's parents has decided to send him to his grandparents' village with with their neighbors Mala and Navneet and Kala. So this chapter is started with the boarding with the boarding of Bala in the bus, and the conductor asked her about the baby. That I have heard that you now you have become big brother now. Actually, in this story, should I tell you the story from the beginning?
No, just a
How
part.
will okay. Then again, that conductor asked about her little sister, that I have heard that you have become a big brother. Then again, Bala gets irritated. That again, nothing. Only he is talking about my sister. And then Navneet and Kala also boarded in the bus from the next stoppage. And Kala auntie again started to ask about the younger baby, means the girl baby. And then they started the journey. And
Okay.
when she was, yes ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. I got it. It's just that you have not read the story, that's why you're not able to summarize it properly. No
Actually, it
worries.
is not mind. Actually, I will have to read all the lines again.
No worries. Okay, no issue. So we will start off with today's topic. So it's going to be about talking about your likes and dislikes. Okay. Sort of about your hobbies, what you like to do in your free time, and so on. So I will be asking you certain questions and you have to answer. Okay.
Yes,
And
sudden question about.
questions about your likes and dislikes and your hobbies. Okay. My questions will be around these topics only, and you have to try to answer them. Okay.
Okay.
So the first question is, what do you enjoy doing in your free time?
Actually, I don't get free time, ma'am, except Sunday. Except Sunday, I don't have that much free time to do the work according to my choice. Okay.
I
So
agree with you.
I
Being
want to I want to take rest only. अगर पका पकाया मिल जाए तो सिर्फ वो खा के सोना मुझे पसंद है.
well, one note on
Okay,
that. Even I have a
I
family and a small child and also working. So I can understand your pain from the core of my heart. That line, कि पका पकाया खाना मेरे This is so
बस
true. This is so true.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I'm in a very tight schedule. Actually, my job is 10 to 5. So, wi- with the starting of my day, I prepare breakfast and prepare my lunch box. And in these days of corona, my kids don't go outside, means they don't go for school. So they started their classes from 8 or 8:30,
Hmm.
like this. And at 10 o'clock, I go to my office.
Okay. So you have a office setup at your home?
No, ma'am, I'm working in a government job. Actually, I'm
Okay.
in library. I'm at the post of library assistant in BHU.
Wow, that's wonderful. So I'm talking to a very educated woman.
No, but I am unable to speak like you.
Speaking is just like we got the practice, that's why we're able to speak, and you didn't get the practice. Otherwise, there is no
Yes, ma'am.
difference.
No, I do practice, but still I don't get the fluency. Means at the time of speaking, as you can see me, means from the last 10 minutes you are with me, so you can guess what are the problems with me.
Yes.
I do practice, but even then I don't get. Actually, environment is also not there or whatever. Means I don't know why. That is why I have joined your classes Q in one.
This will surely help.
Hope so.
Yes. So shall I give you a next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what did you do last weekend? As you get a free time only on weekends. What you got to do on weekend?
Weekend, I don't have any weekend, ma'am. Monday to Saturday is my tight schedule. Only I got Sunday in which I do all the household works, means washing the clothes and cleaning the home and lots of means gardening or lots of household works are there. Kitchen, cleaning the kitchen and utensils and drawers, means lots of works are there. So there is no weekend in my life.
Then don't you think that maybe it's just a normal question from my side, then don't you think that not doing a job would have made your life easy?
Yes, ma'am. Not doing a.
Not doing a job means you are at the post of librarian, suppose you were not a librarian and a housewife, then that would have made your life easy.
No, ma'am, not. I
I
would
know,
not like it also.
you know,
No.
even if you have a tight schedule, you are happy,
Yes,
right?
of
No.
course. Sometimes I feel that we should have a break in and वो हमको मिलता भी था वो हम लोगों को मिलता भी था कैसे बोलेंगे we
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 used to
get
get
it
we used to get
we used to get but in this corona due to corona pandemic we are means हम लोग बिल्कुल बंद गए हैं कि बाहर भी नहीं जा सकते आउटिंग के लिए या कोई वीक प्लान नहीं कर सकते
so it has become
बाहर
monotonous, यानी कि बहुत
yes
ही same lifestyle, routine
yes
lifestyle.
yes
That is what it makes boring.
yes and all the times kids tell you that mama क्या बन रहा है and make something special I think you can understand me na
Yes, very much, very much. I can relate myself to you.
तो अभी पहले तो क्या होता था कि चलो बाहर ही खा लेते हैं है ना
Ma'am
मैम
English,
एक टाइम
English.
तो
Ma'am English.
नहीं हो पाता है मैम means earlier what happened if they are telling you to for something special then let's move outside we will go out means a restaurant or somewhere but in this corona period it is also not possible means after 10 to 5 job if you are getting too much tired and this humid weather
Right.
may I ask, where are you means from where are you
Ma'am, we are not supposed to tell that.
okay okay means in Varanasi it's too means the weather is too humid
I can understand. I
rest
live somewhere near to UP.
restless
Okay, I live somewhere near to UP, so I know the weather is like full of humidity, and
Hmm. And
it's like
after that, thing special is means बहुत बड़ा पहाड़ है क्या बोलेंगे मैम?
it's a huge task. Okay, so I will share the next question with you. Ma'am, can you hear me? Hello.
My mother, she is calling me again and again.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, actually, it is the time to talk with her. Na? Daily I call her in the evening. But today I didn't tell her that, Mama, it is my class or somewhere I will be engaged. So that's why she is not getting me. She's worried about that why she's not picking up the phone.
So no matter what is the age, no matter how old are you, mothers are going to be worried
Yes, all the time.
all the time, right? Okay, so next question. Do you use social media? Do you use social media? You know what's a social media?
You, yes,
Like
Facebook,
Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. These
Instagram.
are the social medias. So you
Yes,
use? Yes. Yes. Then why?
I use to be to be in contact with my old friends or new friends, or to be with the society. What is I means it gives us awareness what is happening in around us,
Right,
and
correct.
it gives information about the happenings and what is going on in the society. It gives you the information. That's
We are
why.
all aware of that.
Yes. And to get entertained also.
Right. Perfect answer. Okay. So these are the benefits which you have said about social media. What are the disadvantages of internet or the disadvantages of social media for you?
Yes, ma'am. According to me, there are lots of disadvantages too of social media. Lots of
Like,
means uselessly if anyone wants to insult someone or demoralize someone, if anyone wants to give a message against someone, then easily anyone can do anything for anyone. It should not be
means
means
if they have to insult somebody, it is easily done over the internet. That is what you want to say?
yes, ma'am. It is very
Gee,
easy to insult someone, very easy to give negative information against someone.
have you have you encountered any situation in your life?
No, ma'am.
Or you have seen any celebrity or any known ones?
It is not with me ever. Never ever
Any
happened with me.
your known ones or any famous celebrity?
It happens that in office we are lots of male and female staff over there. We have a WhatsApp group. Someone if someone has it has not happened with me ever. Means once there was a case. Means someone has given the send a picture of some female staff. Means in a very क्या बोलेंगे funny way that picture was. Then
Mhm.
she gets very angry and there was a very tight talk between very hot talk talk between them, and
He was wearing
it
very
seems.
tight fitted dress.
Yes, ma'am.
He was wearing a tight fitted dress. Tight
No,
fitted dress.
no, no, like that. Actually, that that staff has done means something change in her face. like sumo. Have you seen sumo? ना तो
Sumo wrestlers.
हाँ, चिढ़ाने के लिए उसने ऐसा किया कि सुमो का उसके पिक्चर, उसके फेस को सुमो के फेस पे लगा के उसने ऐसा सेंड किया। तो उसके बाद बहुत ही आफ्टर दैट देयर वाज अ वेरी हॉट टॉक बिटवीन देम एंड I realized that oh my god, means this type of activity should not be done with someone और मतलब किसी की भी तरफ से किसी के लिए भी नहीं होना चाहिए.
It might hurt their sentiments.
It might hurt their sentiments.
Okay.
So it is also very dangerous.
Right. Correct. It's very dangerous because you never know when you say something in a funny tone.
Yes, in general, OBCST, this type of messages, if someone sends and it may hurt someone, so
Right.
this feeling should be means messages is very easy that someone, if you got any message, if you get any message, you just forward it. No, but
Right.
if you are sending this message to any group, you should be very aware that to whom you are going to send in that group, what kind of peoples are there, Hindu, Muslim, and all that means this thing should be taken seriously by anyone.
Yes, these things should be taken into consideration, whom to forward, whom not to, so that nobody is hurt.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's nice. But I didn't get the right answer. That what are your likes and dislikes? If you
Likes
get a
and
free
dislikes.
time, what would you like to do?
I told you now, ma'am, firstly, I don't get the free time. If I get, then I would
Maybe,
like to see.
sorry to
Yes, yes,
interrupt you, but maybe when you were in your college, when you were in your school or a child, you must be having some hobbies or your favorite activities like painting, drawing, dancing, singing, anything. So that,
yes, dancing is my hobby, and
okay,
playing badminton is also my hobby, and eating was
eating.
also my hobby. Special dishes means which I
And
like most, like pani puri and all that. I like most.
so which is your
It's really
favorite food? Spicy, sweet, salty, or sour?
no, not sweet. Never sweet. Never.
Okay.
I don't like sweet. And
Okay.
sometimes but I don't like sweet. Means I like spicy.
Spicy food.
Spicy food.
Okay, and among them, you said your pani puri is your favorite.
Yes, yes. For pani puri, I can go anywhere
You
to
can go
eat pani. Yes,
I guess
in our we have means in the break, when we had a break means lunch period, we were very crazy for that pani puri and chaat golgappe too much. Means what to say? I don't have the words to explain my feelings.
so you must be missing. You must be
Yes,
missing
yes.
all that.
Yes, ma'am. I missed a lot those days. In those days I had not any responsibility of kids. I had not responsibility of house. Means everybody was worrying about me, that she had eaten or not, she is ready or not, she has gone or not, but not me. Now everything has been changed.
Now you are the one who is taking care of others.
Yes.
That happens, and that's the beauty of a woman.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Absolutely. Our mothers have also done with us, and now it's our turn
Yes.
to do our responsibility or duties.
Right. That is how the cycle goes on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So this and dislikes, what to say, dislikes. I like everything. Means I like nature. I like
I think you like
um,
gardening also.
yes, ma'am. Gardening, plants.
So what are the
And
plants you have grown in your garden?
is actually lots of plants were there. before means when I brought up two rabbits in my house last week, means last 10 days, before last 10 days, I brought two rabbits in my house for my kid. On his demand, I brought it
Brought.
in his on his. It's okay, na ma'am?
When you have जब उसको लाया तो brought, जब खरीदा तो bought. BOUGHT, bought.
ले आई ना, I brought.
हाँ, जब खरीद के आप ले आए तो it's brought. Bring word से ही brought आया है.
Third form. So I brought that rabbits. After that, no plant is growing. Means leaves are eaten by them. All finished almost.
So you can
So they are
refrain them from going to that area.
Yes, ma'am.
You can refrain or you can stop them from going to that area.
Yes, means on the terrace, lots of pots are there, and in the evening we bring them on the terrace to get fresh. Means all the day they are also on the washing area. So when I came home at 5,
When I come
after
home.
taking when I come home after 5, these type of mistakes are always. So I bring them up on the terrace so that they may also enjoy, means the free
In the
space
open
and
air.
open air, and the result is that there is no plant is left now, but still money plant, tulsi tree, and lots of show plants are there. I don't know the name properly. I cannot tell you
So you must
the
be
name.
having
Lots
flower
of,
plants as well.
yes, ma'am.
You must be having flower plants.
No, no. This time flower no. कैसे बोलेंगे, इस समय कोई फ्लावर प्लांट नहीं के
This time plants do not grow.
नहीं, अभी है ही नहीं, फ्लावर प्लांट नहीं है. This time no any, there is no any flower plant.
हिंदी में बोलिए आप.
इस समय कोई फ्लावर प्लांट नहीं है, सब शो प्लांट है.
Okay, it's all fake plants.
Only no.
Then
They are show plant.
what is show plant?
Means in which flowers are, leaves are very attractive.
Okay, I
Small,
got it.
what do you call?
But there are no fruits. There are no flowers into
No.
them. They only
No.
look good.
Yes.
I
I
got
like
it.
this type also.
Okay. So your terrace must be very beautiful.
Yes, ma'am.
So your terrace must be very beautiful.
No, it is not so.
Because the rabbits have already eaten all the leaves.
Yes, ma'am.
Because rabbits have already eaten all the leaves.
Yes.
So after a few days, they will be super healthy.
Yes, ma'am.
पका पकाया खाना मिल गया उन लोगों को.
चीज है.
Okay.
में कूद के वो लोग खाना शुरू कर देते हैं.
तो कूदने को आप कह सकते हो they hop and eat. Hopping or jumping. Hopping or jumping. HOPPING. Okay. So I'm sharing a screen with you, ma'am. So these are the certain words or the phrase we can say which we regularly use when we try to say what are our likes and dislikes. You can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am. Play in a band.
Yes,
Play
these are like certain examples of free time activities with an example. Just a second, I will place the. So can you read it?
Yes, ma'am. Play in a band. Play a musical instrument or sing in a group. He plays in a heavy metal band.
And you can read the
And
ones
play
written. You can read the ones written in bold.
okay, play card. Only bold words I have to read.
Yes.
Play chess, play pool or darts, watch a film or movie or TV,
Okay.
take
One thing.
part in an activity.
Okay. One thing here I will correct. Many a times when we ask somebody that what are your likes and dislikes, if somebody likes to watch movies, okay, so they say that I like to see movie, then it goes wrong. Okay, so there is the proper verb for this. That is, we always say watch a movie or a TV serial whatsoever.
Okay.
Okay. Next one.
Do something for fun, be keen on.
Be keen on. This one you read because I think this will be a new for you.
Yes, ma'am. Enjoy doing something. He is keen on playing tennis.
Means suppose you do not know how to play a tennis and you want to learn it. You are enjoying and you want to learn it. Then we say for example, you are keen on learning English language. मतलब आपको आती है, आप पर भी और सीखना चाहते हो. तो वो जो उत्साह होता है ना सीखने करने का कोई चीज, तो उसके लिए इंग्लिश में वर्ड है keen on. Okay. So that is, if somebody asks you what are your likes and dislikes, you can say I am keen on learning English language. Like that you can say.
It means English language सीखने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा
उत्सुक हूँ, उत्साहित हूँ. हम बोलते हैं ना ऐसा कि मैं ये सीखना चाहती हूँ, तो वहाँ पे ऐसे ही इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं हम लोग. We are keen on learning XYZ thing. Okay. Do something for fun मतलब मजे के लिए या just ऐसी fun के लिए कोई काम करना. Next one.
Be a fan or hang out with.
I will give you one very good example for this. You will never forget this phrase. Okay, suppose I say about you, ma'am, that ma'am is a fan of eating. Man is a fan of eating pani puris every day. Okay, so this is something which you like to do. फैन का मतलब पता ही है, जब कोई चीज हमें बहुत अच्छी लगती है तो उसको कहा जाता है कि आप उसके फैन हो, राइट? तो आप इस तरीके से भी this way also you can say about yourself that I am keen on learning English. I'm fan of eating pani puris. I love to hang out with my friends. Hang out is again used जब हम ऐसा बोलते हैं कि हमें दोस्तों के साथ घूमना पसंद है, ठीक है? तो in English we use the verb hang out. It's basically a phrase.
Okay.
The next one is
chill out.
Chill out means relax.
Okay, this weekend I am just going to chill out. Get together. Get
together मतलब होता है कि think that due to corona you are not able to meet your friends and everything, but after once the corona is over, you want to keep a get together. Means you want to meet your relatives or known ones or your friends. Okay, so this means get together means a small tiny party. Get together is again very commonly used in English.
Yes. Come round.
Yes. Come to someone's house.
How to use it, ma'am?
Come to, why don't you come round later? Or you can say that I will come round at your home tomorrow.
Round,
किसी के घर जाना.
come round. कल आऊंगा, है ना?
हाँ.
So I don't. Why don't you come round later?
Yes.
क्यों नहीं तुम बाद में आते, ना?
हाँ.
तुम बाद में क्यों नहीं आते?
Yes. क्यों नहीं तुम बाद में मेरे घर आते हो या कुछ भी ऐसा.
Come round later. Okay. Get up to do.
Means
what
to
did you
do.
Get up to at the weekend?
Get up to मतलब कुछ करना. To do something. You are facing a load shedding.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, power cut is there. No problem.
No
I
issues.
can
No
see
issues.
that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So the next one is catch up with. This is again very commonly used in English.
But I don't ever use it. Catch
Okay.
up with.
Catch up with. How you Abhi, you just mentioned no about the social media, that you are connected on social medias so that you are aware with what is happening in the society. So you can
Mm-hmm.
say it in another way, like I am on social media to catch up with what is happening in the what to say in the society.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Means at the place of happening, we can use this word catch up with.
No. In the place of word aware, we can use this word catch up with.
Okay. Okay.
Last one, kick around. It's like it's mainly used in playing a game or something. This is basically for the kids. Okay. Or kick around, play an informal game of football, like casual playing or something. Suppose you like your child, I ask that what do you like, what your child likes to do. So you can say in that way that my child likes to kick around in the evening. Okay. So which means he loves to play football in the evening. So these were the few phrases, ma'am, for which we can use, which you can use. Basically, you know what happens in English. Fluency is definitely necessary. Again, as you said that जैसे कम का came थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो जाता है. If you can focus on little bit of tense, you do not have to like very master level at tense.
I know the things means at what place, what should I do? I know, but while speaking it, I do the mistake.
And that is why the grammar is another thing and spoken English is another thing. It does not go hand in hand.
Then what to do, ma'am? I'm not getting.
Practice,
Actually, it is
nothing. You can do one thing.
clear
You
to
can
me.
you can do one thing. What I used to do personally for myself to improve my English is to you can watch lots of movies, lot of cartoon movies. You can say with subtitles, English movie I'm talking about. You can watch cartoon movies or whatever genre movies you like. You can watch it, but always watch with the subtitles on. You know what is a subtitle?
No, I'm not getting subtitles.
हम जब कोई इंग्लिश मूवी वॉच करते हो ना, आप कार्टून वगैरह ही कार्टून मूवीज ही वॉच करो, जरूरी नहीं कोई हाई फाई मूवी देखनी होगी. उस मूवीज के नीचे में इंग्लिश में लिखा हुआ आता है ना वर्ड्स, जो डायलॉग्स बोल रहे होते हैं वो डायलॉग्स नीचे लिखे हुए आते हैं, उसको कहते हैं सबटाइटल्स. So while watching a movie, watch it in a slow pace. You do not have to watch the 2-hour movie at a stretch. Watch 15 minutes clip. Okay. Watch and catch the words from there. Catch the tone from there. Your speaking will improve a lot.
Okay.
And try to read the subtitles, and then I'm saying you do not have to watch the entire 2-hour movie at a stretch. This will help you. And second thing, whoever person you get, try to converse more and more and more with them. That is why here we give different topics to make you talk. Different topics, and again, what are the vocabularies you can use to enhance your speaking skills. This way you can improve a lot.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm trying.
This won't happen in a day. This won't happen in a day. So keep lots of patience, like you keep.
This course is of 3 months. So I want to know that in 3 months क्या मैं कर पाऊंगी?
हाँ, क्यों नहीं? I was watching a session of yours with Sheenu. She is really doing very good. She got really get along with you nicely, and she was really she was teaching you really very well. You will definitely do it. You have hardly completed 7 or 8 sessions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have 30 more sessions to go. Definitely you will
But
see an improvement.
I guess that I'm as usual, like before. Means as I'm speaking this time, I could speak before these classes.
मैम
No,
आपने खाना बनाना कब से सीखा?
खाना तो अभी भी नहीं आता बनाने, मजबूरी में बनाती हूँ।
फिर भी पहला दिन जैसा बनाया होगा और आज जैसा बना रहे हो, बिल्कुल बेहतर तो पक्का ही बनाते होंगे आप।
No doubt.
कितना भी
Yes, yes.
बुरा बनाती हैं, पहला दिन जैसा बनाया था आपने और आज जैसा बना रही है, उसमें बहुत ग्राफ ऊपर गया होगा आपका, है कि नहीं? तो टाइम लगा है ना, टाइम लगा है ना। अगर आप कह रहे हो कि आप हमारी तो इंग्लिश नहीं बोल सकते,
Given lots of time, means I do wanted to speak. I do want to speak at any cost, anyhow. I want to speak.
you will do it. You have 30 more sessions to go. You have 30 more sessions, so you can even you can extend your course also, because after 3 months you can extend your course. To be in regular practice, it is very necessary. Okay.
No, ma'am. No, I will not extend lots of classes. Means before this class, I have also done other classes too.
Okay.
It's not my first spoken
I got it.
classes. Okay, so let's see what happened after 3 months.
I am sure if you are willing to learn. So you were like this even before joining any spoken English course?
Yes, I could speak like that as I am speaking with you.
There must be some difference. It cannot happen that after so much of practice.
It means the people, those who are listening me, they can guess this na, that what is the improvement.
They can get an idea that whether you have improved or not.
Yes, but according to me, means whatever I feel that it is like same. Means
Don't
if
try.
today
One tip from my side, ma'am.
तो यही होता है मैम कि बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस लूज हो जाता है, क्योंकि अगला अगर अच्छे से बोलता है तो मैं नहीं बोल पाती हूँ, फिर मैं डर जाती हूँ।
हाँ,
नहीं होता है मुझसे।
वो सही बात है।
हाँ,
तो
ये चीजें अभी
आप एक चीज मेरी तरफ से, मेरा पर्सनल टिप है, बहुत ज्यादा ग्रामर के बारे में मत सोचिए कि आप बोलोगे तो ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक होगा, क्योंकि कई बार हम लोग भी इंग्लिश बोलते हैं ना, तो बहुत सारी ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक हम कर जाते हैं, पर पता नहीं चल पाता क्योंकि फ्लुएंसी के साथ बोल जाते हैं, राइट? तो आप भी जब बोल रही हैं तो बहुत ज्यादा ग्रामर के बारे में मत सोचिए, क्योंकि मैंने पहले ही कहा है, ग्रामर स्पोकन के लिए स्पेसिफिकली ग्रामर एक चीज होती है, स्पोकन इंग्लिश एक चीज होती है। हम हिंदी में भी जब बात कर रहे होते हैं ना, हम बहुत व्याकरण की गलतियां करते हैं, है कि नहीं? हमें नहीं पता होता, हम उतना इग्नोर कर देते हैं। वैसे इंग्लिश स्पोकन में भी होता है। आप बस थोड़ा बहुत हल्का फुल्का टेंस का ध्यान रखिए, बस ज्यादा कुछ नहीं आपको ध्यान रखना है। और जैसे जो
सुनने के बाद आपको क्या लगा कि मैं टेंस पे फोकस कर रही हूँ जब मैं बोलती हूँ, तो
थोड़ा बहुत ग्रामर, मुझे लगा थोड़ा बहुत आप ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक हो जाएगा, थिंकिंग ऑफ दैट यू आर नॉट able to say properly, that you are making grammatical mistakes. Okay. जजमेंटल इशू आ जाता है ना, कि हम बोल रहे हैं, गलत बोल देंगे तो जज कर लेगा सामने वाला। थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट we refrain ourselves talking much, right? So don't think so much. If you want to learn, just speak and listen a lot,
and what should I listen? As you told me about the means can you suggest me any story, means short story?
You can watch a lot of them. Lots of stuff is available on YouTube. Start with basic ones, like for younger child, what is there? Start with basic. If you think this level is little lower for you, you can raise your bar. Okay, ma'am. So your homework is sent through email ID,
Yes,
or
ma'am.
you write down your homework?
No, through email ID.
Okay then.
Shinu ma'am, the email ID.
Okay, then I will do the same and I will send you
Yes,
your
ma'am.
work.
And these grammar, these phrases should I write, na? And try to speak while I
Yes, yes,
talk to someone.
yes. You don't have to apply all of them. You don't have to apply all of them. Even if you learn 2 to 3, that would be more than enough. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Nice to have a class with you.
Thank you. Thank you. And this is going to be the first and the last session.
Ma'am.
Okay. Anyways, nice talking to you, ma'am.
Same here, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay,
Take care.
bye-bye. Take care too.
Thank you.